Want to interact through prompt on Instagram Notes but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to write a prompt on Instagram Notes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by opening Instagram on your device. Then click on the message icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on your profile which is at the top of your screen. After that, tap on the prompt icon at the bottom of your profile picture. Now type your question or prompt for a note. Then enter your message on Add a Response button. After that, tap on the Share button. And that's how you can write a prompt on Instagram Notes. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.